So what you can also do is you can utilize Copywriter GPT inside of ChatGPT in order to generate branding contents for yourself. So to do that, I'm going to go to Explore GPTs right here, and I'm going to go around onto, let's say, for example, Copywriter GPT and click on Start Chat. So now over here, I'm going to go around and say, I need to brand aware my content on TutorTube YouTube channel, which is a free YouTube channel where you can get general computing and multimedia tutorials right here. So you can be more detailed around over here. So I'm going to say I'm brand aware my content right here. I want the ads to be inspirational, and I want to mostly run the ads online for brand awareness right here. I want the ads to be inspirational right here, just like this. So let me just give out this prompt right here, and it says to create inspirational ad right here for a YouTube channel aimed to raise brand awareness. Let's follow certain tips, as you can see right here. So it says campaign goal is, primary goal is brand awareness, product and service right here. YouTube is free. TutorTube is free YouTube channel offering general computing and multimedia tutorials. There's the target audience, as you can see right here, platforms for ad campaign and so forth. So over here you can see that it is generating the ads for me, like YouTube ad right here with inspirational narration right here, just like this. And then for Facebook as well, just like this. For Google ads over here, just like this, and so forth. So you can see that it has additional options as well, like humanize, SEO optimize, both humanize and SEO optimize right here for personal narratives, as you can see right here. And there's creative notes as well. So it gave me a bit of outline on how I can actually brand out or make a brand awareness of my YouTube channel. And that is how you can utilize the Copywriter GPT in order to generate yourself a campaign detail as you like, so that you can use it as a reference. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.